Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am here with 3 problem sums of geometry. But before that, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then do share this video and like this video. So now let's begin. First, let's solve this question number 1. See here, we are given that this is 90 degree. This sign signifies that this is 90 degree. Fine. So if this is 90 degree, then it can be clearly stated that this angle will be also 90 degree. Fine. Why? Because this is vertically opposite angle. Moreover, if this is 90 degree, then this will also be 90 degree because it is supplementary angle or angle of straight line. Angle of straight line is 180 degree. So this will definitely be 90 degree. Again, if you take this reference, then if this is 90, then this will also be 90 because again this is supplementary angle or angle of a straight line is 180 degree. So in this way we can clearly state that this angle is 190 degree. Now if let this angle be y. Fine. Let us assume that this angle is y. So we can clearly state that y plus 30 is equals to 90 degree. How? Because this whole sum we have seen that this whole is 90 degree. So this plus this will give us 90 degree. So y is equals to 90 degree minus of 30 degree. Fine. So y is equals to 60 degree. Fine. So now we got to know that this is 60 degree. Fine. Or see, there are two different form of doing this equation. One is very lengthy. If you want, in next video I will make a sole video for this equation, for this question, and I will make this lengthy process. But for this, I don't think that this needs to be a very lengthy question because there are only one variable. So in actual case, this is also not required. Just we need to know that we require to know that this angle is 90 degree. Fine. So if this angle is 90 degree, and this angle is 28 and this angle is x, so what we can do? We know that angle of a triangle, sum of angle of three angles of a triangle are 180 degree. So we got to know that this is 90. So 90 degree plus of this is 28 degree plus of x, which is our variable, that is equals to 180 degree. Fine. Reason is sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. This is our reason. Fine. Fine. Now, so if you sum this up, you will get 90 plus 28 is 118 degree plus of x is equals to 180 degree. So x is equals to 180 degree minus of 118. X is equals to, here this is 62 if I am not wrong. So fine. So we got to know that this answer is 62. See, again this you can do again in one more different way. That is, you got to know that this is 60 degree, this is 28 degree. So here you get to know that this is 60 plus 28 is 88, right? So this is, so 88 plus of x plus of this angle is equals to 180 degree. So we got to know that this angle is 60, 70, 88. So 88. Here we have 90. We will get 92, right? Yes, 92. So this angle will be 92. Fine. So if this angle is 92, again we get to know that this angle is 92 plus this angle is equals to 180 degree. Again same. So you will get this angle as 88. Fine. Now 88 plus 30 plus x. 88 plus 30 plus x. So 88 plus 30 is 88 plus 30 plus x is equals to 180 degree. X is equals to 180 minus 88, 98, 108, 118. So x is equals to again 62. So see, there are two processes of doing this. I taught you both of this. Firstly, you will directly take out the answer, that is 28 plus 90 plus x is equals to 180 degree. So you will get 62. Again in next this there is another process, that is if this is 90 degree, this whole will be 90. So 30 plus minus 90 is 60. So this angle will be 60. So 60 plus 28 plus this remaining angle will be always be equals to 180 degree. So we got 92 as our this angle. Now this plus this must be equals to 180 degree. Why? This and this plus be equals to 180 degree. Why? Because angle of a straight line is 180 degree or supplementary angle. So now we got this as 88. Now this plus this is equals to 180 degree. Again why? Because that is sum of a 3's angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So when you solve this, you got 62. So doing any of this method will give you the same answer. Fine. Let me know in comment section that you like this step, this process, or you find this as more effective. Fine. So moving forward to our second question, that is we are given 14x minus 13 and here we are given 8x plus 5. So now how we will take out the value of x. Now we need to find the value of x. See, these two are parallel lines, fine, and this is a transverse line which had intersect these two lines. So this we know. Now while solving this, we need to know some properties of these angles when a transverse lines intersect two parallel lines. So yeah, this will see here, this angle and this angle are alternate to one another. They are alternate to one another. So here this angle and this angle are known as alternate angle. Alternate angle. Fine. They two are alternate angle. So the property of alternate angle is that this angle will always be equal to this angle. So property of this angle states that alternate angles are equal. They are equal to one another. So here what we will do? So we will write 14x, this will come here, that is equals to 5 plus of 13. This minus will come here. So 14x minus of 8x is 6x is equals to, this is 18. Fine. So x is equals to 18 divided by 6. X is equals to 3. So the value of x is 3. So here what we will write? This equals to this because this is a alternate angle. Alternate angles are equal to one another. Fine. Alternate angles are equal to one another. So the property here states that alternate angle are equal to one another. Fine. So we got the value of x as 3. I hope you understood the property. If you want me to explain in depth regarding all the angles, supplementary angles, alternate angles, corresponding angles and other vertically opposite angles, there are lots and lots of angles related to this type of adjoining figures. So if you want this, let me know in comment section. I will make a totally different video related to this. So moving forward to question number 3. So that is, here we have two parallel lines. Again, this line intersects, this transverse line intersect two parallel lines. So here, see, this angle is here and this angle is here. There are no relation in between these two angles, but we need to find out that what are those ways where we can build up a relationship. So here, see, this angle is 120 degree. So we know that x, if we take this as y, so we know that y plus 120 degree is equals to 180 degree. That is supplementary angle, or angle of a straight line is always equals to 180 degree. So here what we got? Y is equals to 180 degree minus of 120 degree. So y is equals to 60 degree. So we got this value as 60 degree. Fine. Now, but what we require is value of x. So how we will get this? See, now these figures state that the angle, that 2x the angle that is correspond to 2x is this angle. Fine. See, they are in same transverse. They are in same intersection point. See, they are in same side, but they are correspond to one another. So what does correspond? See, this angle is correspond to this angle. This angle is correspond to this. Similarly, this to this to this. So these are all correspondence angle. So here what we got? 2x is equals to 60 degree. What will be the reason? Corresponding angle. Fine. Corresponding angles are equal. Two corresponding angles are equal. So now 2x is equals to 60. X is equals to 60 degree by 2. So x is equals to 30 degree. So we got the value of x as 30 degree. Fine. So here in this video what you got to know? You got to know that what is alternate angle, what is supplementary angle, what is corresponding angle. See, I will just give a sum up of this video, that is, see, this angle corresponds to this angle. So these two angles will be corresponding angle. See, this angle will always be alternate to this angle. Fine. This angle will be alternate to this angle, and these two angle, and both of this they will be equal to one another. But supplementary angle says that this angle plus this angle will always be equals to 180 degree. So I think this video is helpful. This problem sum is helpful. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, stay tuned to my channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Bye bye.